Hello and welcome. In this tutorial video, we'll explore the new CLE theme called Boost, which provides a cleaner and more modern user interface. The tools available have remained unchanged, but the way you navigate through the CLE is slightly different. Okay, let's take a look. The first thing you'll notice is the lack of a left-hand column, which used to contain various blocks for accessing navigation links and course settings. In the new theme, there is a nav drawer that can be shown by clicking this icon here, which is called the hamburger. The top section of the nav drawer provides links to things inside the current course, such as the participant list, the gradebook, quick links to topic sections in the course, and the course media gallery. The bottom section of the nav drawer provides links to your personal CLE dashboard page, the general home page for the entire CLE, your media repository, and other items. To hide the nav drawer, simply click the hamburger icon again. You will no longer have a navigation block or a courses link to jump between courses, but you can always return to your dashboard page and use the various navigation blocks and tools there. For more information on customizing your dashboard page, please check out our other tutorial video on that subject. Also, many programs and schools create custom menus within their category to help with navigation. Those links would appear across the top of the page once you're inside that school's category. If you have any questions about navigation within your program, please contact your course instructor or category manager. If you are a course editor, there are a few additional changes to note. First, you'll notice that blocks no longer exist on the left, because that is reserved for the nav drawer. In the Boost theme, blocks can only be added to the right, so it's a good idea to minimize the number of blocks you add to a course. The administration block, which used to be on the left, and the Turn Editing On button, which used to be in the top right, are now gone. Instead, you will access these functions from this settings icon here. These changes really help to clean up the user interface and allow more room for what really matters, the instructional content of each course. For example, if you open an activity, like a forum, and need to adjust its subscription mode, you will use the settings icon instead of an administration block to access those options. Returning now to the course homepage, let's click on the Participants link from the nav drawer. The new Participants page is a consolidation of the previous Participants page and the previous Enrolled Users page. Now you can manage user enrollment, edit groups, and count the number of users all on one page. You can manually enroll users with this button. Other enrollment methods and group setup options are available from the settings icon. As you can see, the new theme brings a more clean and modern look to the CLE and helps to consolidate various settings in the user interface. If you have any questions, please contact the Learning Tech group for help. Thank you and good luck.